Okay, folks, this is a product of the Vigoro fertilizer. Before it gets too dark, I just wanted to show you this because it's windy and it could blow all of the blooms off of the flowering plum tree. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Wow. Let's see if I can back up and take a look. The grass is green. You can see my neighbors. See if I can go around to my neighbors. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. If I can zoom in. Look at that. I got the best lawn on the street. And what I did was that warm week that we had, the early part of February, I decided to put that Vigoro on it. I'm going, hey, you know what? It's starting to get warmed up. Which is, been cold, but it got warm. And so, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put some fertilizer on it. I want to get a head start. And look at what it did. And look at that flowering plum tree. It's never looked like that. So that fertilizer has some stuff in it. And basically, really, to be honest, I had a fourth of triple 16 left over. And so I used that lightly over it first, used that all up, and then I got the Vigoro. But even over the years I've been using triple 16, it's never made the plum tree look like that. That tree right there is just dying. So we're gonna have to get a new tree. But check this out, guys, look at the grass. There's a little crabgrass right here. This is never gonna get green. I should pull that. That's bringing it down. Just pull that out of there. Why not? Just bringing it down. I can pull more out, but that wasn't what I was out here to do. Look at that green lawn, guys. Look at that. And I'm only watering once a week. And that Vigoro says, it's getting dark out here, guys. That Vigoro says that it doesn't burn. Let me see if I can get close to that so you can read it. Contains 5% iron for deep greening. And I read on here somewhere that it said it doesn't burn. Vigoro. Look at that green lawn he's laying on. And the doggies laying on. There you got it, guys. Super green. I bet you all of the neighbors are jealous. Look, you can see how rich green mine is. And my neighbor here, she has her own landscaper guy. And he's gonna be jealous when he comes over. And look at hers. Look at her yard. He used to be much better at it, but look at that. So obviously he didn't get a jump start on the fertilizer. If you feed your grass and don't cut it short, see how that's cut real short? It's not like you're playing putt-putt on it. They should put some holes in it and play putt-putt. But there you got it. Somebody's driving up, honking their horn. Wish they wouldn't do that. Okay, but that's just beautiful. Maybe I can edit that part out. It's beautiful, guys. Let's look at the mountain while I'm out here. It's a nice cool breeze. Speaking of cool breeze, I hope everybody can listen to my Cool Breeze CD. Look at that mountain. Look at that mountain. Look at that. That's beautiful. Let's zoom in on it a little bit. Beautiful. around, I believe it's around almost 6 o'clock probably. Look at that. It caught a little bit of daylight for me to be out here to show you guys what that Vigoro did to my lawn. This is the first year that it's been like this. If this car can pass, I'm gonna see if I can walk back again and show you this beautiful, beautiful land. All right, I'm gonna walk over here. I'm walking over the street. There's a mountain right there. Some neighbors walking by. This is a nice night to walk. I should get out here and walk around the block a couple of times. I was gonna go to maybe the gym and see if I can help myself. We'll see. Look at that, guys. Look at that sky. Let's see if we can get the moon. Whoa. Look at that. My phone is not in a OtterBox, so I hope I don't drop my phone. I'd be very sad. But there you got it. Look at that, guys. We have to cherish life, don't we? Because you never know when we're going to be gone. Look at this. Some of us don't get out more. Look at that, including myself. Look at that. It's beautiful. And it's catching us. The darkness is catching us. But look at that plum tree. It is still lighting up. Still lighting up. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I know it's that Vigoro because I put a good helping of it over that 1616. And the lawn has never looked this beautiful, this rich. And so it says to do it every 3 months. And so the next time I'll do it is in May, right? So I did it in February, March, April, and then May. Pretty cool. And it says it doesn't burn, so that's pretty good stuff. Very happy, thank God. I found some fertilizer that works really good. I don't know, could be a combination of me putting the 1616 on, because 1616, it always worked too for me, but it's just never looked this rich. And folks, it is in March, early March. What's today, March 11th? Or 12th, March 12th? Pine tree. Pretty cool.